Nice camera.
Yes, man.
And
Respect.
video on it, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, man. So how long you been doing this, man?
long enough.
Yeah. And when you celebrated your 60th birthday?
28th August.
28th August.
Gone, yeah.
Okay.
28th August, gone.
So you come, how often do you get down to the beach?
Man, must be about the second or third time I come here.
Oh, yeah?
Just kind of too hot now, I want to get a swim.
Yeah.
But
So where before here did you used to work out and thing and
no, man, I play tennis, I play football,
yeah,
swimming,
yeah,
running.
Yeah.
I'm just love to do everything.
Yeah,
Just
man.
keep fit.
Yeah, man. Alright, sir. Well, big up,
I'm
man.
rusty.
Yeah, man, but
Man, I get a look around for a long time.
your rust will shame a lot of young boys,
Rusty,
you know?
man, I'm rusty.
Yeah,
Play
man.
table tennis, lawn tennis.
Yeah,
As I say, I look at football.
yeah,
But I've been doing it because to me I do one job at daytime, I'm still doing night work.
yeah.
So I don't get the time to go work out.
So what's your name?
Benny.
Benny?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
I'm
man.
there.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Benny, you move like a 17-year-old. Yeah, man.
Sure.
Whatever you're doing, man.
Young as you feel, you know.
Yeah, man. So,
I love God.
alright.
I'm a believer.
Yeah,
I believe in Jesus
yeah.
as the creator.
Yes, man.
When Jesus come on earth, that's the time angels see God.
Yeah.
Because angels not see God normal.
Right.
I remember saying in a spirit.
Right. Right.
Think about
so
it.
when he come in flesh.
When he clothed himself with flesh. And why he clothed himself with flesh? Because I can redeem man.
Yes.
Because man was lost with sin.
Yes.
So he come to give him life. To buy back man from the slave market of sin.
Yes.
Jesus
Yes.
Christ of Nazareth.
Yes.
Jesus is the only name under heaven given among men whereby we must be saved.
Alright.
There's no other name.
Yes.
So no Allah, no Buddha, no Rasta, none of them. Them that just man's ideology, man's philosophy.
Alright.
But Jesus now is a name where Isaiah did not talk about him thousands of years before he come.
Right.
That's why when them wise man them see the star, them know say one king born, you know.
Yeah.
Them follow the star tons of miles, you know.
Yeah.
To come worship him.
Yeah, man.
3 wise men, them bring gold, frankincense, and more.
Yes.
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 So Jesus is very
So your belief steeped in the belief of Christ the Savior.
Yes, Savior, our Lord and Savior.
Lord and
My everything. Jesus is with the advent of Jesus. Man, we don't need the law anymore.
Right.
You know the 7 day the law.
Right.
The law can.
The blood wash.
We're not saying under the law and whatever, no. But I'm saying with the advent of Jesus, we have to marry to Jesus now. And him come and this name come to save the world.
Yeah, man.
No other name can save the world. Nothing else.
So with those principles, did that guide you in like your nutrition, how you think about your health? You know, to become how you are today,
Well,
in that have that healthy
consciousness.
yes, man.
Yeah, I have a healthy consciousness because I am, you know. But at the same time, as a man who is a Rasta or a Seventh-day Adventist, I say, they don't eat pork because pork this and pork that and pork is whatever they want to say. You can't eat up. On the contrary, you can't eat up anything you want to eat. Just once you bless it, can say anything when him God make, don't call it unclean. So we're not right. So if me see you as a man who want to eat the pork and throw me a Rasta or Seventh-day Adventist, I'm going to point a finger upon you and say, fire for you because you eat pork. You're wrong.
Right. So I know a lot of people will point to verses in the Bible.
I
where it
understand
says-
all of that, yes.
Yeah.
It was speaking to a specific time.
Right.
In that dispensation when Christ didn't come on earth yet.
Yes.
That's what I said, with the coming of Christ,
Yeah.
with the advent of Christ, a lot of changes take place.
Right.
Man get redemption
Right.
from, Christ full up man.
Yeah. So as you say, once you bless it, you can
Once you
eat.
bless it.
Yes.
You know, so in some nation people eat cockroach. You can't stop him from eating cockroach.
Yeah.
Him can't find
That's what he can find.
That's what he can find to eat.
Yeah.
So how can you find finger upon him?
Right.
True, you can find steak.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you know every man can eat steak.
Yeah.
And every man privileged to can kill and fowl and so.
Right.
There's some man living at the deep jungle and other where he can find.
That thing can find.
So I can give glory to the Almighty who make it.
Right.